Hello everyone. Welcome to my new video. Samsung has launched the all-new Galaxy A70 and the Galaxy A80. The 80 will surely capture your attention because of the rotating cameras. In this video, our initial impressions and first thoughts about the device. So let's start. The most noticeable thing about the Samsung Galaxy A70 is the display. It has an unusually large 6.7-inch screen with an aspect ratio of 20:9. This is even bigger and greater than the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. It's perfect for watching videos, especially those titles that are formatted in the 21:9 aspect ratio. Yes, there will still be black bars at the bottom of the screen, but it's significantly less than what you see on the other phone. With an aspect ratio of 18:9 or 19:9. Of course it's a Super AMOLED panel. Just to make things better, it has a small U-notch but doesn't really take much away from the viewing experience. The Galaxy A70 has a glass panels with a metal frame.
There's a subtle change of color depending on low light. You'll notice that there's no capacitive fingerprint scanner. And as you may have already guessed that, this device has in-display fingerprint reader inside the A17. It has the Snapdragon 675 processor, which powers the device with 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. That's expandable via micro SD. It has a triple rear camera setup, with the main one at 32 megapixels with an aperture of f1.7, 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and a depth sensor. The front camera is also a 32 megapixels with an aperture of f2.0.
It has 4,500 battery capacity, which is better than Galaxy S10 Plus.
Now let's move on to the Galaxy A80. Starting with the most obvious thing. The phone has no notch and no punch holes. What you get is a 6.7-inch HD Plus Super AMOLED screen. This new Infinity display gives you an unobstructed view for an immersive multimedia experience. It has a motorized cameras setup. The implementation is different from what we've already seen on other devices. The shooters don't just pop up, they rotate. It makes Infinity display possible. And second, we get the same picture quality whether we use the front or the rear camera. It has a 48 megapixel main shooter and an 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens that's great for landscapes, and a 3D depth sensor assist with bokeh effect. Not just for photos but for videos as well. You also get functions like scene optimizer, flight attention, and if you like cooking videos, then it has a super steady mode to help to reduce camera shake. You may wondering just how durable the rotating mechanism is actually. We are wondering too. We really don't know still. We got to say that it's a pretty cool thing to have in a smartphone. It has a 3D glass and metal frame design. It's a pretty hefty device, but it has a good grip, thanks to its ergonomics. It comes in 3 colors: Phantom Black, Ghost White, Angel Gold. Looking at the phone, you'll notice that it's missing 2 things: a fingerprint reader and speaker grills. That's because it has an in-display fingerprint scanner and on-screen sound technology. As of now, all we know is that it runs on a Snapdragon 730 processor. It has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. It has a 3700 battery with an adaptive power saving mode for better power consumption. It also has a 25-watt fast charging feature. As it is a mid-range phone, the price will be at around $400 to $500 US.
That's it for this video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification button for the latest tech and gadget reviews.